Wheat farming as a business plays a crucial role in the social and economic upliftment of farming communities. Wheat is the most important food crop in India next to rice, in terms of consumption, production, and cultivated area. The main wheat-producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan, which are located in the northwestern zone of India. Matushka, Mishra, came, 2007. With the onset of the Green Revolution in 1964, when India introduced semi-dwarf wheat varieties, wheat production rose steeply. From 1964 to 2002, wheat yields more than tripled from 295 to 1,120 kg/acre. Fertilizer Association of India, 2004.